One good link. Unlimited streams. Hi, Queens. Welcome back to Set Up and Sell. I'm Adeline Atlas, and today we're locking in a simple truth. One good link can create unlimited income streams. If you've ever wondered how to promote multiple offers, lead magnets, digital products, or services without overwhelming your bio or your buyer, this is the fix. Because you don't need 5 websites. You don't need 6 links. You need one good link, built with strategy that turns casual followers into paying customers, email subscribers, or long-term clients. Let's break down how to optimize your link in bio so that it converts clicks into cash 24/7. First, why the link in your bio is prime real estate. This is one of the most valuable spaces on your entire account. It's where warm leads go when they want more info, access to your product, to join your list, to take the next step. But if your link is a mess, or worse, missing, you're leaving money on the table. A good link setup works like a shelf of your best digital products, a lead capture magnet, a sales funnel shortcut, a content hub. This is your storefront backend. Step 1, choose the right platform. Your link hub should be clean, visual, and conversion-focused. Best platforms: Stan Store, creator-focused, digital products, subscriptions, upsells. Beacons, sleek, mobile-optimized, strong analytics. Gumroad, built-in checkout and product hosting. Payhip, good for global buyers, simple storefront. Linktree, pro version, visual buttons and brandable if upgraded. Choose one that integrates with your offers and supports fast purchasing. Speed, more sales. Step 2, keep it clean and strategic. Don't overload your link hub with 12 options. Instead, create a sales path. Recommended layout: 1, your main paid product, top spot. 2, your free lead magnet or funnel entry. 3, your community or email list opt-in. 4, your premium application or service page. 5, one extra offer or shop all option. That's it. No clutter. Just a clear buyer journey. Think, what's my number 1 CTA right now? That always goes at the top. Step 3, use visuals and brand consistency. Visual link previews convert better than plain text. Add cover images of your product, icons for freebies, bundles, coaching, your brand colors and fonts. Make it feel like a continuation of your Instagram, not a redirect to another planet. This consistency builds trust and decreases bounce rates. Step 4, align every CTA to the link. Your stories, captions, DMs, and pinned posts should all point to the same place. Examples: grab it in the bio, tap the link, it's the first button, bio link, content kit, download instantly. It's all inside the link in bio. Go now. Don't make your audience search. Train them to click. Over and over. Step 5, build your link like a funnel. Each button on your link hub should have a transformation-based name, a clean product image or icon, a one-line description under the title if available. Examples: plug and post calendar, plan, 30 days of content in under an hour. Start selling today. My $27 toolkit for beginners. Get the free DM scripts, grow your confidence, and close faster. This structure keeps your link action-focused, not just decorative. Step 6, add velocity with bonuses and timelines. To increase urgency and click-throughs, update the link weekly in your stories. Offer limited-time bonuses. Buy from this link and get extra. Add a countdown in stories linking to your bio. Highlight limited spots if you're selling a program or mentorship. Velocity creates momentum. Use your one good link to move people now, not someday. Step 7, audit your link weekly. This takes 5 minutes and keeps conversions flowing. Check. Are you actively selling what's at the top of the link? Are your buttons working and connected to current products? Is your lead magnet up to date? Have you added any new screenshots, proof, or headlines? Your bio link is not set it and forget it. It's part of your storefront system. Final tip. A great link in bio isn't just a collection of buttons. It's a curated digital shelf that guides people from just looking to just bought. You don't need more links. You need one good one, built with purpose, organized with clarity, and connected to your content strategy. Because once the right person clicks, you want that click to turn into a conversion.